Why self-defense is very important for us, why self-defense is directly related to us, and why we need to learn self-defense. Let me tell you. Reports say that every third woman in India suffers physical violence. In 2019, in the first 6 months, 973 rape cases were reported. Okay, and these are the cases which were only reported. There are a lot more cases which are not getting reported. So the problem is very big, and if you will search on internet, you will understand how bigger the problem is. So today we need to understand this, and we need to take action against this. And the only action that we can take is we can equip ourselves with the skills that can help us to become strong, that can help us to live a better and safer life by helping us to protect ourselves in the better way. So this is the only solution, and for this we need to understand it and become aware about this, and we need to help others also. So that is what I am doing. So I am Sudhir Mohan and I am doing a live webinar, and I will tell you how bigger the problem is. You will see a very big picture in that webinar, because this is just a little small fact about this, okay, that I have told you, but there are a lot more things that you need to understand. So register for the live webinar. You will learn a lot of things. First, let me tell you what you are going to learn. So we will be learning how bigger the problem is, what is its best way to solve it, and how we can use it, the solution, how we can use that solution for our better future or our loved ones' better life, okay, or a safer lifestyle. So register for the live webinar. This webinar will be not recording, it will be a live webinar, so I will be there for you live, and I just want to help people. This is my mission, to help 100,000 people, women, children, to become stronger, okay, to help them live a better and safer life. So that is why I am doing this live webinar, and I will be telling you a lot of things. You will be learning a lot of things. So register for the live webinar, and we will meet in the live webinar. I hope you will attend this webinar. Click the learn more button below and register for the live webinar. Once you register, you will be able to get all the details, how you are going to join, when this webinar is going to happen, and it is going to happen very soon. Okay, so register for the webinar and we will meet live in the webinar.